All right, next I'm going to show you how to post content to a WordPress site. So the first thing you need to do here is in your settings. So you got to go to settings and then select WordPress logins. So once you go here, what you want to do is add in your WordPress site. Now, before you do this, so you have to do something within your WordPress site in order to get the proper app password. So we can put a label. So I've actually logged into my Script Atlas WordPress site. And what you want to do is go to users. So this is a clean install with very little stuff in here. So go to users and go to profile. And this will only work for later versions of WordPress. I'm not sure what version they added this to, but if you do not see this, you'll have to update your version of WordPress. Well, now that I think of it, why don't we ask ChatGPT what version of WordPress has the application password feature? So it looks like 5.6. So if your WordPress version is less than 5.6, then you probably won't have the application password feature. So you'd probably want to update your WordPress site. And you'll see at the bottom application password. So I'm going to create one called Script Atlas and click add new password. And this will be the actual password we need to put in there. So what we do is we grab this and we copy it, Control C, and then we put it into here, Control V, and we need to put our username that we use to log in. And for me, it's just admin. And we need to give the website address of where my WordPress site is installed. This is very important or else it won't work. So my WordPress site is located right at scriptatlas.com. So I'll just do that. Sometimes you may have, for example, you might have /blog. If you have your WordPress installed in a subdirectory of blog, you got to put that there, or a subdomain, like say it's blog.scriptatlas. You got to make sure you know where it is installed, and that's where you have to put the link here. So once you do that, and then just create a label. So I'll just call it Script Atlas blog and click done. And now it's added. Click apply. And let's go back to here and let's post to our blog. And just before we do that there, I do want to mention one thing, that one of these images was loaded from our computer, which is a little bit different inside the HTML code. So let me just explain here. So I go to view source here. You will see that the first image is actually a link. As you can see here, it's a link pointing to where it's located on the internet. Now, since the other one we loaded from our computer, it actually saves it as a base 64 data string. So this is like the image represented as kind of like text, like a data text, but it's encoded. Now, the thing is, you can see it's actually massive. It's a lot of data. So you can't actually just post this kind of data directly to WordPress. So behind the scenes, what's going to happen here is the software will automatically detect that this is a data string and then convert it to a real image and save it on your computer and then upload it to your media folder inside of your WordPress site. So let me just bring up my site again. So inside the media section here, it will upload it to here and then use the link. So let's go ahead and do that and you'll see what I mean. So we're going to need a title. So I know I'm going to use this as a title, and I actually want to delete this because it'll kind of show up twice in the post. So I'm just going to go like this and just delete that. So I copied that on using my Control C on my keyboard. So I'm going to go to WordPress and you'll see here post title. So I'll paste that there. Now the first thing you got to do is you got to select the site you want to connect to. So we're going to do the Script Atlas one, and it goes and connects. Now, one cool thing is you can add categories and tags to your actual blog post. So if you got any categories or tags, you can do it here, which is really simple. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do have one category there I created, but we can just, to create a category, you can just go like here and just say like say marketing is a category, then you can add it like that. And if you want to do a tag, ebook or something like that, I don't know, whatever you use for your keyword tags, go ahead and add it like that. Then once it's done there, it adds it to your website. Now you can go ahead and select what you want. You can do multiple categories and multiple tags. And so once it's done, you select the status to being published, or if you want to draft, you want to allow comments or not. And then all you do is click post to WordPress, and it's going to give you a little thing here saying, look, one of your images is represented as encoded data. If you want to continue with uploading the images, those images to your media library, just go ahead and click yes to continue. So we'll do that. You see it's uploading an image, then posting to WordPress, then automatically go right to that post, and you can see that everything worked. So now it's posted, and I don't have like a fancy theme on this WordPress site, so obviously if you got a nice theme, it'd look a lot nicer. And you can see here this link that we created in there works. It was just pointing to Google. Now if we go back here and take a look at our posts, we're going to see it here. Now you can go in and edit it, but I also want to show you in the media, it uploaded that file. And it just gives it its own sort of name. It just gives it a number. So one thing you can do is you could actually, upload the image to your WordPress and give it a nice name or something like that. Then to get the link is right here. So you can just like right click. I don't know if there's a select all. Well, I guess there isn't. So go Control A on your keyboard or Command A on Mac, and then Control C to copy that. And then when you're over in here to add that image, you could just go insert image, and then you can just stick the link right here. So that's another way to do it. So you can manually put the images in your WordPress site and add them in that way, or just realize that when you upload it and you have one of these encoded, just basically one of these images you put in here from your computer, just realize that the software is going to automatically upload those to your media folder inside your WordPress site. And to upload an image to your WordPress site is actually pretty simple. So just in the media section there, you just click on add new, and you can select a file, or you can actually just drag and drop them right in. And I don't know, here's an image here. Let's say we throw it in here, and there's the image. And so like I mentioned before, you can just grab the link like that and then add it in just like we did. That's how easy it is to do it manually if you don't want to have the software posted. So that's basically how easy it is to post content to your WordPress site, and there's no limit or anything like that. So you can have unlimited WordPress sites inside the software that you want to connect to. You can upload unlimited posts. So there's no limitations or anything like that with the software. So it's very, very simple. And that's pretty much it for this particular video. I just wanted to show you how you can easily connect Script Atlas to your WordPress sites and post unlimited content.